Welcome to another cable lock, another bicycle cable lock. I found this on the street and it's an easy pick with just standard pins, and you can easily cut it with a saw or a little wire cutter as I have shown you in other videos. But before this lock goes to the bin, I want to have some fun with it. I want to see if I can crush the plastic cover and then get off the pins out of the lock and then turn the plug. So I have my big pair of pliers. I don't know this name in English, but I think you know what that is. And I will see if I can just crush this plastic. So I try to do this all in the hand, just as this lock would be mounted on a bike. Is this in focus? Yeah. Oops, so the cap is off. That was easy. And now, so my plan is to get the Bible here, to get access to the Bible, to get the pins out. So maybe I just do it like this. Maybe I should change tools. That works okay. Whoops. So okay, I changed tools. Okay, so here you can see the cap of the pins, so that they don't fall out, and I think this is just press fit. I will see what I can use to pry it out. Just a second. Maybe this will do. Would be easier to clamp it in a vise, but what's the easiest way to get this off? Just poke it. Nope. Maybe with some force. Oh yes, ha! That was too easy. Look at that. Okay, so now I flip it over, knock out all the pins. That's the retaining pin. That should not hurt, but at number 1 we still have a spring inside, but not very long, then it will also be empty. So I think this is empty now. I just now need a screwdriver to turn the plug and open the lock, right? So here we go. All right, that was fun. Okay, so with some basic tools you can not only get the cable cut through, or with some picks pick the lock, but you can also just destroy the plastic cover and pull or knock out the pins to open up the lock. Okay, so that was that, and I hope you had some fun. I had fun. And until we meet again, happy picking and bye bye.